So, sitting here thinking, I was doing a switch pad for my air ride on my truck. Thought this might be a cool little video. So, this is what we got. Let me show you. So, 3D printed, and actually, I got two of them. Here's the other one. Here's a good one. The other one is kind of just a roughing. We're going to use this for mock-up. We're going to use that one final. I'm going to sand it and paint it. But this one here is identical to it, just a little bit rougher. So we had to use a 15 mil switch, momentary switch. Not momentary, but locking switch. And because I'm going to do something different, I'm going to put a valve for the back of the truck in the cab, so that way all my switches will be here. I got some, I think these are like 12 mil, maybe 10 mil, 12 mil. Got a bunch of these, and they go in here, so on and so forth. These are all be switches lit up as well. So this is going to get installed in the truck. This is going to get installed in the truck. Switches and whatnot. Front up and down. I'm sorry, far up, rear down, and then miscellaneous 3 other switches. This one, I couldn't find a locking switch that size, or I could have done 2 more because I have the rears tied together because it's on a manual load leveling block in the back. But I don't want that big switch on my dashboard. Nothing wrong with it. I just don't want it there. I want it all to tie together with their little round switches and stuff. So if I wanted to upgrade this later, I could. All electric valves. So what we're going to do is we're going to install these in the truck. I'll show you. Still not done yet. Go figure. So this Tahoe console, I'm going to make them heater because, well, I don't need anything here, and then have another one there. So I'm going to put the switch plate in there, making this aluminum piece, this little filler piece to go in there to fit flush. There's going to be some modifications to get it to fit flush right, but that's basically where it's going to go. So no time like the present then to do it. So, I'll show you. So yesterday, Saturday, my truck wasn't sitting level. And so I had one day to work on this thing on a Saturday. Look, see it? It's not level. So yesterday, took the front bags out, measured them compressed. They were different, not by much, not enough to worry about. I machined them and got them flat. So they match both sides. Made sure the cab, put shims in the cab so that way the cab was level on the chassis, because I just thrown it back together kind of thing when I did the body drop, and I needed some shims to get it, level side to side, front to back, so on and so forth. So because I didn't want to put the tanks on and then the cab be sitting like this or like this, and the tanks look weird and whatnot. So here's what we got set up. This is obviously passenger side. So toolbox, tank, lower and upper running board. Now I'm going to put some tank straps on this here, just so it looks like it's got straps on it. The top bumper, or I'm sorry, the top running board will be split back in there, and it'll flip up so that way we can open the door, because if not, the door won't open. So that's what we're going to do. Today I've got limited time to be able to work on the truck, so I've still got to do the switching and stuff, and that's something I can do today. This is probably going to be this week to try to get it finished up. I got multiple jobs to get done, and it's not working. I've got to take this truck, and we leave Wednesday night for Matt's, and I'll be back Saturday, and then which you'll probably see this video probably the time that I'm leaving. So, but enough of talking. We're going to get to building. Kind of hard to do with one hand, huh? Shoot. You get the idea. File these edges a little bit more just to get it down in there some more. Can be done. This edge and that edge. I don't know. What do you guys think? Probably end up changing it. So we put it in here and then line it all up and push it in there. Now, so front up, front down, rear up, rear down. This one is going to be for my tanks. I think my fuel tank divider or switch deal, you know, to go from tank to tank. So we'll put another one of these in right here. So I have two open ones right here that I can do something with later, but we'll put it in there and turn the lights on so that way it all lights up nice and neat when they're in there. So that's it. What do you think? All right, so I've got my piece made for this filler for my switches. And so before you say anything, I know it don't have enough switches in it, but you got it to where you can see what it looks like. Okay, let's try this. Let's look at it. That's it for this nice short little video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe. That's all I can do. Please. Thank you. Some other content. We've been really busy with we got some glass work that's here, and you might have seen it on my social media. We got another truck that we're going to be doing some glass work for, but this Thursday we'll be at Matt's in Louisville, Kentucky, the Mid-America Truck Show and or trucking show, and so we're going to be up there hobnobbing with some nice truck drivers, and a bunch of vendors. So see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.